Today we're featuring one of our Bowls with Balance recipes. These recipes are a great way to get a start on a healthy week by prepping your meals ahead of time with beef and vegetables. So this recipe can be made on a grill with grilled vegetables, but if you're cooking indoors based on the season or your tools available, you can roast all of these veggies in the oven while you grill your steaks. So I've roughly added a cup of each of these different vegetables to a bowl. You can use whatever vegetables you have in your pantry or that your family enjoys. So here we have zucchini, yellow squash, peppers, asparagus, and sweet potatoes. You can add a half a cup of your favorite oil-based dressing. So you can use a vinaigrette or an oil-based dressing, like here I have Italian dressing. We're going to give our vegetables a good stir to make sure they're coated with the dressing, and then we are going to add them to our sheet pan. Next, we're going to put these in our preheated oven and let them cook until they're nice and roasted. While our vegetables are roasting, we're going to go ahead and prepare our strip steak. So strip steak is a great choice because it's really tender and it is a lean cut of beef. For this particular recipe, we are going to add a little bit of garlic and pepper to season our steak with. You can grill your steak outdoors on a grill, or you can use a grill pan inside like we are here. I've had our pan preheating on a medium heat, and we are going to add our steak to the skillet. Next, we're going to slice our steak into thin slices. So we've pulled our roasted vegetables out of the oven and we're going to top them on a bed of greens. So here we have some kale. You can use any lettuce or spinach that you have on hand, but we had some kale left over from another recipe we made today, so that's what we're going to utilize since we're shopping our fridge and pantry first before buying extra food. So I'm going to scoop some veggies up on top. And then our protein. Perhaps the star of the show is our strip steak. So if you have some extra dressing that you tossed your vegetables in, you can top your salad with that just to add some extra flavor, especially if you're going to eat this the next day. But it is a very nutritious, simple, well-balanced meal that you can prep ahead and take with you on the go. Find this and other balanced bowl recipes at ohiobeef.org.